When we're looking for best smartphone under 20,000, the choices are more. But we narrow down those choices by picking the best of the best for you. Let's not waste the time, let's move on to the video. Our first pick for best smartphone under 20,000 is POCO X4 Pro 5G. It comes with 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it's powered by Snapdragon 695 processor. It runs on Android 11, MIUI 13 for POCO. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On front, we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. On rear, we have a triple camera setup, 64 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The phone is packed with 5000 mAh battery and you will get 67 watt fast charging support. The 128GB variant is priced for 20,000. Overall, if you are looking for a decent performance and good camera and battery life, definitely POCO X4 Pro 5G is the best option for you under 20,000. If you are looking alternate option for POCO, then our second pick, Realme 9 Pro Speed Edition would be the right choice for you. Realme 9 Pro Speed Edition comes with 6.6-inch IPS LED display with 144Hz refresh rate. It's protected by Panda Glass and it's powered by Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. It's packed with 5000 mAh battery and you get fast charging up to 30 watts. It runs on Android 11 on top of Realme UI 2.0. It has side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On front, it has 16 megapixel selfie camera. On rear, it has triple camera setup, 48 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The 128GB variant priced for 20,000. Overall, if you are looking for mobile with good processor, good display and decent camera, then Realme 9 Pro Speed Edition would be the right choice for you. If you are a OnePlus fanboy and you are looking for OnePlus phone under 20,000, then you can choose OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. It comes with 6.59-inch IPS LED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by Snapdragon 695 processor and it runs on Android 12 on top of Oxygen OS 12.1. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G Lite comes with 5000 mAh battery and you will get fast charging up to 33 watts. And you will get side mounted fingerprint sensor. On front, you are getting 16 megapixel front facing camera. On rear, you are getting triple camera setup, 64 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro. The 128GB variant priced for 20,000. Overall, if you are looking for OnePlus phone under 20,000, then OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G would be the right choice for you. The next phone on our list is Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus comes with 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 support. It also has Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor. It runs on Android 11 on top of MIUI 12.5. It has side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On front, you will get 16 megapixel front-facing camera. On rear, you are getting triple camera setup, 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, and 2 megapixel macro. The 128GB variant priced for 20,000. Overall, if you are looking for a mobile which can offer more for 20,000, then you can go with Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Next phone we are going to see is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. Samsung Galaxy M33 comes with 6.6-inch TFT LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and phone is powered by Exynos 1280. It has a total 6000 mAh battery with fast charging up to 25 watts. The phone runs on Android 12 on top of One UI 4.1. It has side-mounted fingerprint scanner. On front, you will get 8 megapixel front-facing camera. On rear, you are having quad camera setup, 50 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel wide angle, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The 128GB variant priced for 17,999. Overall, if you are looking for phones slightly lesser than 20,000, also if you are interested in Samsung phone, then Samsung Galaxy M33 would be the right choice for you. Hope you will find today's video helpful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.